welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital markets. This edition captures the market performance for Friday, January 3rd, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the All-Share Index closed at 26,968.79 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.19 trillion naira, meaning it appreciated by 0.38%. The equities market continued on the green zone positive performance for the second active day of the year 2020. Nigerians, Cornest and AfriPrud were top gainers, while Deepcap, Omatek and Naimet were among the top losers. Nigerians, Veristascap and Zenith Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 30.36 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 364 naira 19 kobo to a dollar, while the I and EFX rate opened at 364 naira 60 kobo and closed at 364 naira 98 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 697.54 basis points with a market capitalization of 501.14 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 0 and the value traded 0 with no deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displaying on the screen. For the key highlights from last week Friday, the United States coordinated airstrikes that claimed the life of the commander of the Iranian Revolutionary Guards General Qasem Soleimani. This has generated global reactions even as Iran is threatening to revenge the action of the US. The fresh hostilities between the United States and Iran would have wider implications on the global markets, international crude oil price, and the stability in the Middle East. A new round of geopolitical tensions could impede on the global economic growth outlook for 2020, which has been projected to grow at 2.4% by the Economic Intelligence Unit, while the International Monetary Fund projects 3.5% global growth. In line with listing regulations of the Nigerian Stock Exchange for quoted companies, Zenith Bank PLC informed its shareholders, the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and the investing public that the board of directors of the bank will meet on Tuesday, January 28, 2020, to consider the group's audited financial statements for the financial year ended December 31, 2019. For the key market and economic events to watch for today, as the first full week of 2020 begins, dealing members expect that the equities market will continue on the positive streak in terms of performance. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a pleasant day.